I've arrived. I don't know if you can hear the water or not, but it's back behind me. Not a lot of people here today. There are some, about 4 cars. And just to say, it's kind of cold here today, in the 40s. I think it was like 45 when I looked. I've kind of got a thin layer on, but I should warm up with walking, so should be all right. Should be a nice hike. Here's where you cross. Trailhead. High cliffs ahead. You can see the creek down there. You can hear it pretty good from here. Today I'm going to go to the lower falls, the lower viewpoint where you can see the whole falls. Last time I was here, I just did the upper portion. Here's the sign for the lower viewpoint. And then, oddly enough, you go uphill. You go uphill to go down. This is kind of a cliff area right here. We're pretty high above it, actually. Look at that tree. Oh. Oh, we got some cliffs up here. Cliffs are nice. Oh yeah, that's much better view. Wow, look at that. Seems like this is a lower part. There's no trail to get down to the bottom of that. Now for the fun part, hiking back up. And I'm back at the top. Forgot to point out the Panther Creek Falls sign there. Again, there's the trail and the road. I'm the only one here, apparently. Those two ladies were talking about Falls Creek Falls. I don't know if I'm going to do that today or not. I hadn't intended on doing two waterfalls. I might save that one for another day. I think I want to do the McClellan Viewpoint, perhaps. Okay, on the way home, I figured I would stop at Cascade Locks since I haven't been here in a while. It's on the way home. Might as well. I haven't been here in quite a while. I think the last time I was here, I came with my mother. And that's been many years ago now. So let's go see what it is. Gonna take a look. Just me and my shadow. It's one of my famous panoramas. Are my panoramas famous? I don't know. Maybe I could make them famous. Could be a thing. almost like a painting. I forget the painting now, or the artist. I should know this too, considering I went to art school. George Seurat is actually pronounced Seurat. George Seurat. So, the actual correct title of the painting would be A Sunday Afternoon on the Island of Grande by George Seurat. And this is very similar to that painting in my mind. No idea where that's coming from. I think somebody down there on a fishing platform singing. Hard to tell. Much more interesting than what I had to say anyway. Let's go over here and look at this bridge mural. It's getting kind of faded. You know, this is why we can't have nice things. Yes, because this is infinitely better than what was there. Not really. Is that Grizzly Adams or a Sasquatch? Multnomah Falls, as I call it. Let's see. Can you see it? There, you can see it. Hi, everybody. See, it's a waterfall. It's right there. All right. I read this article. I think it was an Onion article. It had to have been a parody, but they were talking about charging a fee to take a picture of this because they were going to put a big black curtain over the front of it. And it was going to cost you $29.95 to take a picture or some ridiculous thing like that. Certainly it was a parody, although I wouldn't put it past them. Everybody's taking a picture. Mucho gente. Mucho gente aquí. Anyway, there it is, folks. Beautiful Multnomah Falls. That's enough Multnomah Falls for today, I think. If you've never been here, you should come. Obviously, you won't be lonely. It is highly worth it, however. I would recommend coming here just before a thunderstorm. Seriously, there won't be anybody here. I'm looking at the wrong thing again. I'm not over here, I'm over here. Anyway, you can name a movie after this. Leaving Multnomah Falls, doing it again. It's a bad habit. I'll eventually get it. Right here's the camera, right there. Back under the railroad bridge and back under the highway. Back to the car. It's Oregon Travel Brochure-orama. Except for this side. They don't care about you on this side. All right. That's right, folks. Put them out. Okay. This will be the actual end to the video. So, sayonara, auf Wiedersehen, hasta luego, hasta mañana, adios, farewell, and all that. And I'll see you next time. I'm right there. See, I still keep doing it. Anyway, see you later.